Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you this soft minty blue eye makeup look, which is just a really nice soft glam look. I feel like that shade on the eyelid, it's just so unique. I've never had an eyeshadow like that before. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime the eyelids like always. This removes the redness of the eyelid. It will make your eyeshadow more long lasting, and it's going to make sure that your eyeshadow is not going to crease. If you don't have a primer, you can also use some concealer. Just make sure that it's not really oily or creamy so it won't crease your eyeshadows. Then after applying that, I used a little bit of powder, and then I went in with the Cosmo palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So this is the palette I'm going to play with today, and the first color I'm going in with is called Space Dust. And I started with blending that all the way in my crease, so I'm just softly blending it all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner, and this is just going to be the first color that I will blend kind of like as my transition color. I won't be using too many shades today, so we're keeping it very soft and minimal, just going for that soft glam. So this will also only actually be the only color that I will use for my crease. I thought I used another one as well, but I think I only used this one. So I'm just focusing on blending it. I added more of that color, and then I went in with the color Super Cluster. So this is the color that I'm gonna apply all over my eyelid, and it's very beautiful. It's kind of like a soft bluish shade, but also has a little bit of a more of a greenish reflect to it as well. I feel like that makes it so unique because it kind of looks blue, but it also looks green. I think it's really gorgeous. So I'm just using my finger to apply this all over the eyelid. I used a few layers to really make it as sparkly and pigmented as possible. And I just really like this color. I'm sorry guys, I just love it. And I think it's gonna look so beautiful with brown eyes as well. I know blue is not maybe your typical shade that you wanna go for. Maybe some people find it too intimidating, but this is like a really beautiful soft color that you can definitely wear for a daytime. So I used that same shade that I used in the crease area, and now using that for the lower lash line as well, and then blending it out to make it look more soft. So by only using two shades so far, you can already see that it looks really nice. Then I went in with this eyeliner from Colourpop, which is like a liquid eyeliner pen. I'm not going for a wing liner, but I just wanted to create a simple line above the lash line because I knew I wanted to go in with false lashes. And sometimes when I wear false lashes, you can really see the lash band very clearly. So I wanted to use a thin line of eyeliner so the lash band kind of fades into the eyeliner, if that makes sense. Then I used the Super Nudes Duo Pencil from Charlotte Tilbury, and I used that for a new waterline. I felt like a nude pencil suits really well with today's eye look. And then I went in with a lash curler and the Hypnose Drama Mascara from Lancome. I'm not too focused on the upper lashes because I am going in with false lashes, so I'm just making sure that they have a nice coat of mascara, so they're nice and black and nothing further. I didn't really make them try to be as long as possible. But you always want to use a little bit mascara, even if you are wearing false lashes, because the color of your own natural lashes can be different, like compared to false lashes. So you want to make sure they're black so they fade into the false lashes. I really hope that makes sense. So now I'm applying these Queen Tarsi Nora lashes, which I think are so beautiful. And like I said, because I used the eyeliner, I just now use I try to focus on making the lash band go directly on top of where I created that line of eyeliner. And this way, I feel like it just fades more into each other. It looks just better. And then here you have the finished results. I really hope you all like this look. I know it's actually not that complicated. I only used two colors, that kind of warmish brown shade in the crease and the lower lash line, and that bluish minty color on the eyelid. So yeah, I hope this look gave you some inspiration. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. That's really helpful for my YouTube channel. And if you aren't subscribed yet, don't forget to do so if you like makeup tutorials. And I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye guys!
I shouldn't be standing with a heart that's so heavy. I shouldn't be up with all the weight that I carry. Don't know if it's right, but I'm sticking with